we are announcing an event to be organized by the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. The ministry will be organizing a global summit called Global Maritime India Summit 2023 from 17th October to 19th October at Maritime, New Delhi. So this would be a platform for the Indian maritime community and also the international maritime communities to converge and share their ideas. So it is expected that more than 40 countries will be participating. Many countries will be sending their ministerial delegations, many will be sending official delegations. So the 3-day summit will be having a global CEOs forum. There will be an investor summit. There will be an international level exhibition. So there will be plenary sessions, there will be special state sessions, including the state of Goa. So this wonderful opportunity will be utilized by international industry players, maritime global players, and many stakeholders. So we expect the state of Goa also to participate. So as a precursor to this event, Mormugao Port Authority is organizing a roadshow event tomorrow, that is 25th of October at 7 p.m. The venue is the Marriott in Miramar, and we expect the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant to be the chief guest for the roadshow event, and the Minister of State for Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Shri Shripad Naik ji, will also be participating, along with the State Tourism Minister and the State Industries Minister. The roadshow event is planned to share the idea and showcase the Global Maritime India Summit for the stakeholders of Goa. So we hope that this kickoff event will be a successful event involving all the stakeholders in the state, and all the stakeholders here will be able to use the platform of Global Maritime India Summit scheduled to be held in October 2023.
And which countries or which?
See, we have already, I think the ministry has already invited 62 countries. So the invitation process is still going on. So it is expected that more than 40 countries would be participating. So we'll be able to give the full list of countries probably maybe 1 or 2 weeks later, because we will get that list from the ministry also. But it is expected that more than 40 countries will participate. Then the global maritime players, all the international, many of the international ports, all the major ports of India, the states who have a stake in the maritime industry, other players, other stakeholders like dredging companies, the technology companies, because some of the sessions are about the emerging technologies and automation in the port sector. So a lot of these players will be coming and participating in this summit.
In what way the new opportunities for the stakeholders, then industry in this will get?
See, as you may be already knowing, even in India, mainly the trade is taking place through the seaways. For example, 95% of the total trade by volume and 70% by value, that is the data, take place through the seaways. So there are a lot of stakeholders in the maritime industry, and you may be also aware that the government of India has been taking a lot of steps in the last 9 to 10 years in improving the infrastructure in ports.